Hello everyone, welcome back to Yunolearning. In a series on how to build upon your lexical resource in a much more effective and productive manner, we bring to you yet another video on the theme restaurant. Now let's go ahead and deconstruct the term dine. The part of speech it hails from is verb, meaning to eat a meal, particularly the last meal of the day in a restaurant especially. Sentence: they always dine in at the restaurant around the block during the holidays or any special occasion. Some other terms derived from dine are: number one, dine out, verb that means to eat dinner in a restaurant. Dine out, noun, to eat away from your house. Diner, noun, a cheap informal restaurant. Dining, noun, the act of eating a meal. Diner, noun, main meal of the day, especially in the evening. Next up, we have some other terms. Let's look at them. Table reservation, noun, when a customer calls or makes a booking in advance of a table. They had to make a table reservation a month in advance at most lavish restaurant present in the town. Main course, noun, section of menu displaying dishes that are the main focus of a meal. The main course items on the menu were changed according to the seasonal availability of ingredients. Takeout, noun, ordering food from restaurants with intention to eat it somewhere else. Sentence: the new restaurant around the block also has the takeout service for customers that are in a hurry. Platter, noun, large oval or circular dish used to serve dish or meal. The diner near my house serves a special platter dish that has about seven distinct items in it. Buffet, noun, a meal where guests serve themselves from several dishes set. The hotel has a buffet system set up every morning in the banquet hall to provide breakfast to the guests. Table service, noun, when a restaurant serves food right to the customer's table. Franchise restaurants mostly have an excellent and efficient table service to fully satisfy the customers. Self service, noun, serving oneself at a restaurant. They have sumptuous food items with an unlimited self service buffet system in place. Signature dish, noun, menu item that is a specialty of the restaurant. Many restaurants feature their chef's signature dishes profoundly during the festival season. Next up, we have some types of restaurants. Number one, cafeteria, a restaurant where people collect food from serving counters to the tables after it is paid for. Beanery, a cheap, usually inferior restaurant with no regular menu or table service. Luncheonette, a small informal restaurant that serves light lunches. Rotisserie, restaurants specializing in barbecued or roasted meat where meat is roasted on a spit. Eatery, place smaller than restaurants where main focus is food rather than the wholesome satisfying experience as that of a restaurant. Bistro, a small inexpensive place where food is served quickly. Cafe, a small restaurant where simple meals and drinks are served. Food truck, a large vehicle equipped with facilities for cooking and selling food. Here are some questions asked in the IELTS speaking exam on the theme restaurant. Let's have a look at them. Which are more popular in your country, fast food restaurants or traditional restaurants? What kind of people in your country like what kind of food people in your country like to eat in restaurants? What are the qualities of a good restaurant? Cue card. Describe your favorite restaurant. You should say where is it located, what it looks like, what kind of food they serve, what makes this restaurant so special to you. Now let's try answering the cue card. Describe your favorite restaurant. Answer: the name of the restaurant I have been very fond of for years now is Dine is 10. It is a small diner right across the street I live. It is generally not a requisite to make a table reservation except for the holidays. It has rows of booths and porcelain enamel exteriors for retaining the traditional diner architecture and aesthetic. It also has a small bakery section with the most scrumptious dessert to satiate the sweet tooth of customers after the meal. They offer an excellent food service. The main takeaway of the place is their exquisite platter they offer, which is the signature dish of the place. Continue the answer with the words and terminology we just learned. Now, here's a write and task question. In many countries, people throw away a lot of food from restaurants and shops. Why do you think people waste food in this way? What can be done to reduce the amount of food thrown away? Try answering it with the words and terminology we just learned. That's all for today. For more personalized live, IELTS, and spoken English classes at affordable prices, enroll today and don't forget to subscribe for more such.